A very fine good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about point, line segment, ray. So today we have to cover point, line segment, ray. What do you mean by point? A point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. Points are denoted by capital letters. Here the dot A is a point. You know, point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. This surface is plane. See, here this is called point A, and point are always denoted by capital letters. Okay, here dot A is a point. Is it clear? Now come to line. A line is a figure which has only length but no width. A line is a figure in which it has only length. A length is there, no width. It has no end and extent indefinitely in both the directions. A line has no end point. Okay, you can extend the line in both the directions. आप दोनों directions में से आगे extend कर सकते हो. Here AB is a line. See, it has no end point. तो आप इसे यहाँ से भी आगे बढ़ा सकते हो और यहाँ से भी. Okay? You can extend it from both the directions. Is it clear? Here it can be represented as, this is AB line. Arrow this side, arrow this side. Okay? Now come to the line segment. A portion of line with two ends. It is also the portion of line. It is the portion of line with two ends. See, means, what do you mean by it? It cannot be extended in both the directions. ना तो हम यहाँ से आगे बढ़ा सकते और ना ही यहाँ से, because it has two end points. But here, no end points. So you can extend it from both the directions. Okay? Clear? Now come to the ray. A ray is a part of line. It can be extended endlessly in one direction. Ray क्या है बेटा? It is also the part of line. You can extend a ray only in one direction because it has only one end point. From the other side, there is no end point. So you can extend it only from one direction. From here you can extend. Is it clear? Now see, this is also a ray. Here end point is this. So you can extend it from this side. It has only one end point. So you can extend it from one side. Because other side it has end point. Okay. So we have today discussed about point. You know, it is an exact position or location. It is always denoted by capital letter. Now the line segment and ray. The major difference is that a line has no end point. Means we can extend it in both the directions. A line segment has two end points. Means we cannot extend it in both the directions because it has two end points. Now come to the ray. A ray has one end point. That means we can extend it from other side. Means we can extend it from only one direction because it has one end point. Is it clear? So today we have discussed about point, line segment and ray. Let us solve my practice time 2 based on point, line segment, ray. I am taking randomly B part. This represents a ray. False, because it represents line segment. Now, identify and name the following. I already told you, you just have to identify. This is very clear line because it has no end point. From both the sides there are arrow. Means you can extend it in both the direction. Come to this. Wow, it's very simple. It's a ray. इसे क्या बोलोगे? Ray. Because it has only one end point. Other side there is an arrow. And you can extend it from this side. Not from this. Okay? Sure? Now you can complete PT2 in your book. And if you face any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.